SLO alignment jam teams will need to be thinking across Cisco's businesses and opportunities in order to arrive at the kind of complex ideation and solution finding required. The alignment jam teams will use strategic thinking on two fronts, in the way you work as a team and in how you think about the market adjacency opportunity. In addition, in terms of the team's vision, strategy, and execution, strategic thinking skills help the team drive the strategic or S factor through to execution. The trick with strategic thinking is to intentionally slow down the process of jumping from observations to conclusions by making us a little more deliberate in how we are processing information and reaching conclusions. Strategic thinking skills decrease the chance that we'll overlook something important and as a result improve the quality of our decisions. Strategic thinking activity involves 4 domains or types of thinking. These are seeing, connecting, focusing, and testing. We'll illustrate each of these 4 domains through some questions. Questions such as these can quickly get the team out of the weeds and pull the team up to the strategic level in their thinking and solution evolution. These questions are guides or examples. Once you understand what the question is doing to help the team's thinking, you can create similar questions. Seeing involves collecting information. What data have we picked out of the situation? On what basis have we determined this? What else are we missing, and how can we get it? What are 2 or 3 key areas of information we need to keep paying attention to? Connecting involves looking for patterns or causal relationships. What overarching theme or pattern is emerging in the data? What conclusion or hypothesis have you drawn about the data, and what does this imply for our solution or next step? Do we have a common understanding of what the key variables mean and their definitions? Do we understand how they interrelate? Based on the analysis, which of the pieces of data is most influential in driving other data? Focusing involves putting the problem in context and determining what is and is not relevant. What belief do we have about where to focus attention and why? What is in scope and what is out of scope? What are alternative hypotheses or conclusions, and what supports those reframes? Testing involves reaching logical inferences and forecasting, sort of like a chess player. What other information can we gather to substantiate or test our starting hypotheses? To reframe. What action could we take to test the reframe? If our hypothesis is true, what would most likely occur? By consciously drawing on the 4 strategic domains of seeing, connecting, focusing, and testing, teams can more effectively think together strategically. By collaborating in this way, each team member helps improve the quality of strategic thought for the entire team.